Hi guys, it's me, Adyant, and I will show you how to solve Rubik's Cube. So, these are the edge. We have to connect the edge. So, if we do like this, center and edge colors same, matched. We will do like that only with all. Okay. Oh. I have matched. We just have to make an plus, and then we have to match the corner. If you see, it's looking good, but it's not matching. Only this corner is matching. All corners are not matching, so we will take out that. Then we will place them on their correct place. Wait, just 2 minutes. I've done. The corners are matching. Now we will upside down this to yellow. See, yellow color. It's not, but there is no yellow in these. So what we will do is, see, when there is no yellow here or here, so we will see which color is matching to this. Not matching. So it's blue. Here's blue. So where we have to put is left. So we will first rotate this to opposite to blue. Then in which direction we have to place that? Left. So we will take the left one up. If we have to put in right, we will make the put up, make the right up, but we are doing in left. So left up, then we have to take that to here and then down. Then here it is. We will just do like this and this. There is an example like here that is. Now it's matching. So I said where we have to put now and right now. So we will take this to the opposite of the red's right. We have to, if this is red, so we have to, and we have to put it here. So we will just do the opposite here. I mean, if it what are you just where you have to put the edge. See, here the color matching, where the color match, and we have to put the edge where we have the color matching is red. We have to put the edge with red and green. So green is here. Which color is in the top? We have to make that up layer to the opposite of the color which is at the top, which I have said where we have to put the direction is right now. So we will make the right layer up. Then we just have to do that only which we have done. Then now I will just do that with. Now I have done all the edges. Now luckily I have plus. Other people have or a line or a L like this. Wait a minute. Like this or a dot. In the situation of a dot, we have to do this. Wait, I just made. See, now here is the dot. So what we will do is we will do this up. It will here, and then this right up, and then up the upper layer to the left, then the right layer in the down, then the upper layer to the left, right again, and then this. If you got an L, we can make, if we do this formula again, we will see the bar, and then if we see, I will do that again. Now it is a line. So this line is like this, not like this, this. So we don't have to do the formula in the shape of this. We have to do the formula in the shape of this. If the line is like this, then the formula only works. But if you do like this, the L will come again. So we will do that formula again. Now I will do like this only because I want to show you, and I don't remember it was OLL or PLL. I just remember the trick, the dot. Then we will do that formula. Now we have got an L. So we will make an L and an edge pointing to the right hand side and an edge pointing towards us. So we will take these two layers to this, and the formula again what we have done, but now we are doing with 2 layers. So we have gotten an plus without using an line one. So if you can't remember what I have done, you just learn the basic notation first, and then I will make a video on basic notation on between Tuesday to Thursday or Friday. So I will write the formula in the description of this video, and the basic notation will come in or the other week. So first, then we have gotten an plus. Now we will match the edge. wait. I've gotten an. How did? Yes. Now we have gotten a. Now we have to check the edge. If we do like this, this is matching, but these are not matching. So we will do like this. L prime. This layer up, then 2 times up, then 2 times side, then down, then side. Now we will check. It's not, but you have to repeat this formula for the edges. You have to repeat till it not be corrected, till the edges are not corrected. Mine are now corrected, but I just want to tell you that don't try in the place where you have started. You just do two or three times and then change the place, then 2 or 3 times, then change, then only you can get. But if you do the formula in blue only in one color, only in one side, you can't get that. So I have done. So we will see which corner is correct. No red, green. No red, no green. Blue, red, orange. Here's blue but not orange. Blue, red. Here's red but not blue. Green and orange and yellow. So it is it's right in the place but not put it in the right way. We can twist it, but we will not, because in some cubes we can't. So we will take the right one in our left and then we will do like this. See, now it is correct. Now also not corrected. Not corrected, not, but it is right now also. So we will do that again and again till we have the right one. So just a sec. Now I have gotten. So I am telling again, we have to the right corner we have to put in right, left, and then we have to do. Now I have corrected all. So you will just do like this, 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 this. We have to do it 2 times and then we have to see is the corner placed correctly, rightly, I mean it's correct. And now we don't have to do like this. We just have to move the upper layer and then do all. Ta-ta-ta-ta! Our cube is solved. Bye.